Picked up this old Italian touring bike. It was literally in a pile of trash. Caught my eye. It's pretty sweet looking. Stamped 1966 on the frame. It's got a little luggage rack and some touring fenders. And I just kind of gave it a quick once over. Certainly got a little surface rust here and there. I was able to pump the tires up on it and they're holding air. Threw a little chain lube on it, and I'm gonna take it for a little spin around the block and see how she does. Yeah, so first impression is it actually rides pretty well considering it was just pulled out of the trash. Shifting seems to work pretty decent. Brakes are a little off to say the least, but all in all, pretty excited to have a little project. Looking forward to working on it. So for a free find and saving a bike from the trash, pretty stoked. Awesome. All right, so I was able to ride the bike for a little over a mile with just pumping the tires up and putting a little chain lube on. Saddle might need a little help. Not sure that's Italian duct tape. Chain's definitely pretty rusty. Might have to switch that out. But overall, the bike mechanically functioned. Tires are definitely pretty dry rotted, and the brakes are probably dry rotted as well. But cool find, and can't beat the price. Be fun to just kind of mess around with. Maybe I'll post another video after I've tinkered with it a little bit. All right, take care.